guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today we're up in Leeds and we're going to go and see Josh from Yorkshire Aquascapes. I've got George with me, driver, videographer. So come along and come and see some of these fantastic pondless water features. Come and see Josh and Simon.
Nice to see you.
How are we doing?
How are we doing? Yeah, very good, thank you. Thanks for coming.
So where are we? We're in Leeds, but...
Yeah, welcome to Yorkshire. So we thought we'd bring you somewhere nice, somewhere by water. So we're in Roundhay Park now, which is a really beautiful park. There's this big lake, but there's also loads of little natural walks and streams and areas to get inspiration from as well. So quite often we come here, we both live quite close. So it's just always a time to get inspiration and you know, somewhere nice to meet. So I look forward to giving you a tour of our local area.
Nice. So is this the biggest ecosystem pond that you've built?
Yeah, probably the biggest project we've done so far. I don't know how many metres. No, this is not our style really.
This is huge, isn't it? This is lovely.
Yeah, it's beautiful, lovely walks. Yeah, so we've got a few stops on the way on the tour today. So the first one, we're going to take you to a pondless waterfall. And this is quite a special one because it's actually the first medium pondless that I put in. So, you know, obviously not our finest work, but something that's really close to my heart and something really impressive, I think, for the first project we did.
Fantastic. Are you excited? Let's go.
So this is going to be our pondless waterfall. It's our medium pondless waterfall around the back. So this house was being completely developed when we actually came to do this project, and the garden was untouched. It was just a big, you know, pile of earth right next to where we needed to be. But since we did the pondless waterfall, they kind of built the garden around it. Yeah, so this was, I mean, if you look back, I can share some pictures and videos and everything of what this looked like before this place. But there was a big mound of dirt here. This seating area wasn't dug out at all. Yeah. So it was just a completely blank canvas. And they knew they wanted something. They knew they wanted some kind of water feature. And I think the plan originally was something quite formal. So the garden designer had planned kind of like a metal trough or something with some pipe work with dripping out. But then they saw a pondless water feature that we put on Facebook. So one that we shared a video of, and they loved it. They loved the natural idea of it, the fact that it's, you know, pebbles and stones rather than metal and kind of man-made materials. So yeah, this one was a really interesting build. Took us 3 days, and yeah, my first medium pondless. So proud of it now to say that it's still working so well and still enjoyed by the customers. So this is David. So David had put trust in us in the early stage of the business to actually come and create a water feature.
Yeah, well, we got a garden design and it was quite formal. It was very similar to how it is now, but there was a formal water feature with spouts, and we wanted something much more naturalistic. And during lockdown, we just saw in the local Facebook group, we saw Josh's work, and my wife especially just said, I just absolutely love that. It's just so much more natural, really. So yeah, we gave Josh a ping on Facebook, and I think within a couple of days he came and looked around, and then early January it was, you came and did the job.
A bit of a winter build, if I remember.
We absolutely love it. The sound, the wildlife, you know, we've got birds, blackbirds, all coming, bathing in it. We can see it from inside. It's just, yeah, you know, day, evening, it's brilliant.
Thank you for opening up your garden.
No, pleasure.
So that was our first stop on the trip. In fact, actually, there's a funny story. So when we were doing the job here, so we had the car all branded up. So we were parked outside for, I think we were here for 3 days. And on the last day, I came out from around the side of the garden, and there was a note on the windscreen. And I thought, oh, here we go. Have I parked somewhere I shouldn't have? What's that? Someone bumped my car. What's happened? And it just said, please come to the house across the road because we're interested in a water feature. So literally, I went across straight away, spoke to them, and you won't believe it, they've got a stack slate sphere now fully installed in their garden. So maybe we'll just nip across and have a look at that.
Yeah.
So this is our small stack slate sphere fountain. Hello. Oh, we've got the guard dog, be careful. Hello, hello. You want to be famous as well? Yeah, so the stack slate sphere, this has got the light on the top as well, so even at night you can see the kind of different colours bubbling up at the top. But it's lovely, just a nice relaxing sound, because remember when I first came round you said you used to like to go on holiday, and I think it was around COVID time, we couldn't really travel or anything, and you said you wanted the sound of water, just nice and relaxing. But yeah, it's really beautiful little spot. We had to build it up using a bit of stone just so it's level with the patio. But really nice, simple project, but it looks lovely with all the plants and the pebbles. It's added something really nice to that seating area.
Thank you for opening the garden.
Yeah, thank you for letting us in. Nice to see you. All right, no problem. Take care.